Clever strategies to help you master affiliate marketing. At first, it may seem that getting into affiliate marketing can be very confusing. Affiliate marketing is just like anything else. Once you start learning, you start to understand about it more. Here are some more tips that help you understand some key components when it comes to affiliate marketing. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, ensure that your affiliate company offers resources that help you to generate sales. These resources should include banners and text links, as well as templates for recommendation letters. An affiliate company should be willing to help you earn as many commissions as possible. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing program, you should make sure that the contract you sign with one company does not restrict you from working with other companies' affiliate marketing programs as well. If you take the time to build a site that draws traffic, you should be allowed to maximize the revenue from the page. If you are just getting started with affiliate marketing, start by advertising to people you know and trust. They can serve as a springboard for you. Because you can constantly stay in touch with them and constantly motivate them, they may prove more useful than more randomized contacts. As an added bonus, it may strengthen a bond. When choosing an affiliate program, ensure that their sales conversion ratio is high. It won't mean anything if you're offered 75% commission and no one ends up buying anything. You have to balance the commission rate with how many sales you'll actually get and choose the program which offers you a good deal on both factors. So as you can see, once you learn some of the basics and other insider knowledge, learning about affiliate marketing becomes easier and easier. Make sure you review and understand the material from this video, then read around to gather some more tips to get some more knowledge on affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.